Hey guys, it's Mary. It has been a minute, or maybe a few weeks, depending. Let me put this light on. Better maybe, I don't know. Anyway, life has just been so busy. So busy. And I can't even go back and tell you why it was busy, because I don't even know. Except for last weekend when I did a virtual card event with scrapbook and cards today, which I do, I think 2 or 3 of them a year with them. This one was a paper crafting one, and I didn't even get finished, or I'd be showing you that. But in the meantime, several Autoships from HSN came in, and so that's what I wanted to highlight today. They kind of, a lot of them were on back orders, extended delivery, or whatever they want to call it. In fact, I still have something on back order, the Crafter's Companion Academy of Color, which was funny because they scheduled the class for this week and nobody's got theirs. I did notice though today that it did say it was in process, so it should be coming. But I'm behind on those two, so I don't know. And I'm retired. I don't know. Figure it out. I have no excuse of why I'm so busy. Though I was told that you do get busier when you retire, and I guess I'm living proof that that is true. So, but let's take a look at what came in Autoship wise, and then I've got other things for other videos that I need to get on track with. Luckily, everything that I have, I buy. So I'm not beholden to any company to get things done in their time frame. Because sometimes some of those companies, they've got a really short turnaround and you really have to dig deep, and it's crazy. So, but I don't have that problem, fortunately or unfortunately. If I don't buy it, I don't get it. So so this is one of the pop-ups from Diamond Press, if I can open it, and it's the next to the last one. But I was pretty excited for this one. This is the Christmas one, and it is a gingerbread house. There's one more left, and it is, I think it's a hot air balloon. Yeah, and I think that's December or January. I can't remember. So, well, this one just came, so it must be, I think this one was supposed to be here in October, or it came at the very end of October, the beginning of November. So, but look, we've got our folder as usual. Let me get these stamps out because these are just too cute. There is the house, the mechanism for the house. And here are the stamps. So here's the roof. It's got 2 different kinds of roofs. There's the outside of the house. Seasons, eatings. Oh, that is so cute. Home for the holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And we've got gingerbread. And somebody took a bite out of that poor little gingerbread. And candy canes, candy. There's all kinds of different swirls and things. So let's see what it shows. All right, so it's got the shedders, all the little swirls and stuff, the little peppermint swirls, little candies, so that you can embellish the front of the house. And these are the basic instructions, and they all work exactly alike, which I've showed in a couple of videos, how to put them together. More instructions. And then that's what it'll look like. Look at how cute. It'll be so cute. And it's here in time that I can make a few. So, before the holidays. So, I'm excited. I'm happy. You know, as I've said many times before, there's only been a couple of times where I've been disappointed in a diamond press. So for all the diamond press that I have, that's pretty impressive. So, all right, this is going to be difficult. I'm not sure why all their bags so recently all come apart at the seam here. I don't know. Anyway, so that's the pop-up gingerbread house card. I'm excited about that. So, this is part of the, oh, look at how bent up it got. This is part of the shape cards. And the funny thing is, this is from Crafter's Companion. The reason I signed up for the Autoships was because I wanted this camera so bad. And it was on extended delivery for forever. It seems like just forever. There's one more auto ship, but I've already canceled it, and it's a birthday cake, because how many birthday cakes do I need? I've got tons of them, but I'm really was excited to get the camera, and I was so afraid that they were going to cancel, because there was several things that they were canceling auto ships on. So, and it comes with the stamp set. Smile, say cheese, you make me smile. Oh snap, memories, girl, boy, hi, birthday, happy BFFs. Thank you for your memories. The focus is on you. Hashtag selfie. And with love, besties. And then some little elements like that right there. So I was pretty excited to get this finally. And then the funny thing is that after I had signed up for the ship cards and the outer ships, then they came along with the shaker card, which I love a shaker card. So I went ahead and signed up for the shaker card and the auto ships. And then the auto ship came, and this is funny, and it has a camera. So this auto ship has a camera. Now I have two cameras, but this one appears to be a little bit smaller than the other one. So this is the camera, and then the globe, which I think they are both super cute, and they're you know, they're shaped. And there's one more left of this too, which I am going to get, and it's a old-fashioned phone and the envelope. So I thought those were pretty cute. Pretty cute. So I'll be making those. And then I don't even know when it came. I was busy, and I put it aside, and then I realized I had never opened it. And that's the Crafter's Companion. Say it. Whatever it was called. Satan Style. Yeah. Grateful and Blessed. And this one, there's the baker's twine. I know in here there's dies. There's envelopes and cards. Wait, here it is. All right, so it's, you know, it comes with the envelopes, it comes with the cards, they all come with the baker's twine and this satin ribbon. And then they also come with 2 dies. This one says grateful and thanks. So, card full of thanks. Thanks for your love and support. Thanks for my family and friends. Thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for your thoughtfulness. Thanks a bunch. Give thanks with thanks. Thanks so much. Thanks for all you do. Thanks very much. Let's see. What can we use grateful on? Grateful for all you do. Grateful for my family and friends. Grateful for your hospitality. Grateful for your thoughtfulness. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for being a good friend. So, there you have it. Grateful and blessed. And there is still more to come. And every time I see the auto ships coming up, I think I'm going to cancel. And then I don't. Because, you know, then I get FOMO of not having a complete set. A whole collection. And I know I can't be the only one that has that problem. Because I know you guys, there's a lot of you that do. So this one was grateful. So let's see, where are we? Oh, look, we're only on number 2, grateful and blessed. So we still have season's greetings. That's coming this month, and you know I'm not going to cancel that one because it's Christmas. It's an illness. Time to celebrate is in January. And I'm sure that's a lot of birthday in there. I'll just say for on your engagement. So, special friends is in March. Oh, happy birthday is its very own. Number 6. So, I think I wouldn't notice if I didn't have that one. Because I've got lots of birthday stuff. So I don't know. And I say that every time one of these comes. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. But you let me know what you're doing. Are you continuing to get your collection? Did you stop? I was going to try, and I haven't had time, to actually stamp these with Versamark and heat emboss them to see if I like them better that way than just inked. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. So that's it. So we got the Grateful and Blessed, Say It in Style. We got the shaker cards. We got the creator card, camera, and then the pop-up gingerbread house. So I think that's quite a bit. And craft day is next week, and I've already got some stuff in my basket. Oh, it's such a sickness. Such a sickness. So, all right, so that's it. So let me know in comments if you have any of this, if you canceled any of your auto ships, if you're getting all your auto ships, what you like, what you don't like. Just let me know. I like to see how others think. So, all right, so that's it for this one. I'm sorry it's late. So, but it's done finally. And I apologize again. So, all right. So, if you're a subscriber, I appreciate you subscribing. If you've been thinking about it, you can hit the subscribe button down below, and then there's a little bell, and that will give you notification should you want to be notified when a new video comes up. I'm going to try to be more consistent. I was doing really, really well for quite a while, I thought, and then things got crazy. So, yeah, so that's it. So I appreciate any time that you spend watching any of the videos on the channel. I appreciate it. I'm slowly growing, little by little, and that makes my heart happy, and I really appreciate it. So that's it. So until the next time, oh, my voice. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.